Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and Warzone just got released, and you're looking right now how you can turn off the controller vibration on your controller. So first you want to click on the settings wheel on the top right corner, and then go all the way down to the third option, controller. Click on controller, and now 4 main categories appear: controller, aiming, movement and combat. We want to stay on the first one, on controller. Now you have different options for your inputs. Skip this one and go down to controller, and the first option is already the controller vibration. Right there you can turn it off or on, and click on show more and customize your controller vibration intensity. So lower and higher it, and down here you can also select and customize your dead zone inputs. Click on show more again, and now you can test around what fits best for you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have problems to hear steps in Warzone, click on this video right now and it will get fixed in a few seconds.